Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the I'm From Rice Serum. This product retails for $27. I'm From did send me this product, but it's not going to affect my review. I just want to tell you that at the forefront of this video. They didn't ask me to make a full long form review to it, but that never impacts my review or opinions on these products. This formula I'm excited for because the I'm From Rice toner was a little bit more hydrating, a little bit more nourishing than my skin needs, specifically in the summer and all the time. It's just kind of a situational product for me. Still a soothing product, still very nourishing. I'm excited to see what this serum does in terms of feel, texture. They utilize a 73% rice fermented complex in this, so I'm really excited to see how that performs with this product. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. They use rice ferment extract, niacinamide, and hydrolyzed hyaluronic acid. Check out the full ingredients. You can click the link in the description and go to their website. Also left the full ingredients in the description as well. Big things I'm going to be looking for include: how does this product feel? How does it perform? Does it break me out or cause any acne? And what benefits do I notice with it? This is also a little bit more expensive than some of my favorite rice serums like the Anua, and be doing a slight comparison to that just to see how it compares. As for anything else, we continue to do check-in, so I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm here to give you all a quick check-in on this product. I have been using it for a couple of days. I'm liking this product because it has a nice light gel cream-like texture. It's not sticky or tacky in any way. I honestly feel like this could be a good final step moisturizer for oily skin, because look at that, it has a nice water gel texture. Very lightweight though. I'm definitely gonna use it as a layering serum. I am more combination to oily right now, and so I don't need as many steps in my routine. I've also noticed this has kind of helped soothe some redness out of my skin, which I've really been enjoying. It's a very light formula, and it doesn't give much dew or glow to the skin because it kind of just absorbs immediately. When I notice the benefits start to take place are when I've let it set on my skin for a few hours. Now, I've only used it a couple of times, but I used it last night, woke up and I noticed my skin was a little bit less inflamed already. Between the Anua and this serum, I would definitely say this has more of a water gel texture, while that one was a little bit more sticky and snail mucin mimicking texture-wise. This serum definitely has more of a light water gel texture. In terms of benefits though, I'm gonna still compare this because this is a little bit more expensive retailing. The Anua is a little bit more budget friendly. I'm just gonna be seeing what benefits I notice with it and conducting a full comparison. But as for right now, I'm enjoying this product. Very light, doesn't leave too much of a finish, just a little bit natural hydration. That's what I'm noticing with it so far. I'm gonna continue using it, now I'll check in again. I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this product. I felt like this rice serum was one of the more lightweight ones from the ones that I have tried, which is interesting because I feel like the I'm From Rice toner was a little bit more intended for drier skin, had a little bit more of a milky consistency. This is a great way to deliver the simple ingredients of this formula to your skin and deliver some soothing properties in a water gel texture. I really enjoyed this product. It is more of a summertime product for me. I was able to use it both day and night. Loved it specifically in the daytime during the summer. I still feel like it would be a little bit lightweight, but it's a little too lightweight for me to do this, but I feel like oily skin may enjoy using it as a final step hydration method, kind of like a moisturizer style, because it does have a nice light gel cream texture. Dry skin, definitely gonna layer with it. Honestly though, I would go with the Anua if you have more dry skin because it is more snail mucin and thicker texture wise. Will give you a little bit more boost of hydration. I also like the price point of the Anua as well. Obviously, Korean skincare websites vary depending on the price. Look for the most affordable option. Retail wise, this is a little bit more expensive. That's why I would almost see myself repurchasing the Anua, also because usually when I'm going for a rice serum, I like it to be a little bit more nourishing, have a little bit more hydration to it, and the Anua did. This had a nice soothing and hydrating ability to it, but it was more on the lightweight side. Niacinamide, and I feel like it was mostly designed for my skin in the summer, but in the winter I'm definitely gonna go for the Anua. It's the perfect lightweight way to deliver some soothing properties, especially if you struggle with irritated skin and sensitized or sensitive skin. I feel like you will really enjoy this product. Additionally, it didn't cause any acne. It worked to take some of the redness out of my face, and it was a very soothing style product in a lightweight way, which I feel like is rare. It's the biggest thing that makes it stand out from some other competitors on the market, with specifically rice as the main highlighted ingredient. And so with that being said, I would recommend this product. I would still recommend looking into the Anua, depending on what texture you prefer, depending on a lot of factors, including price as well. I feel like the Anua may be a better option. I do prefer that, unless I am just looking for a really lightweight texture, but I usually go for rice style products when I'm needing a little bit more soothing to my sensitive areas and my drier areas. And so that's why the Anua would be a better option for me. But if you're looking for a more lightweight water gel texture, if you felt like the Anua was too much, you just prefer that style of product, this is definitely the way to go. Just depends on texture preference. I do love the Anua, and that's where I see myself reinvesting my money. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.